Today we're going to learn colours with this dinosaur building set. Oh no, the dinosaurs are all in pieces. Let's put them together and see what we can build. Let's start with these red and orange pieces. It has two wings that go on either side of the body. Here's the head, legs, and a tail. This red and orange dinosaur is called a pterodactyl. This is a flying dinosaur. Next is a teal and yellow dinosaur. Here's the body. It has 1, 2, 3 spikes on his back. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. And here's the tail and the head. This teal and yellow dinosaur is called a stegosaurus. Now we'll look at this purple, teal and pink dinosaur. It has a large body with 1, 2 large legs and 1, 2 short arms, a tail and a head. This purple, teal and pink dinosaur is called a Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short. It's a large, scary dinosaur. But don't worry, they're not around today. Finally, this dinosaur that comes in blue, light blue and dark blue. This dinosaur doesn't look like it has any legs. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 flippers, a head and a tail. This blue dinosaur is called a plesiosaurus, and it doesn't need any legs because it lives in the water. Now the great thing about this dinosaur building set is you can take different pieces and imagine any dinosaur you want. We'll take this red and orange body, add the blue head, 3 teal spikes, a blue tail, and these purple and pink legs. You can imagine any dinosaur you want. We'll call this dinosaur a Koopasaurus. It's been great fun learning with you today. See you next time. Bye bye.